Hello all, welcome to our channel. This is mainly important about the YouTube Shorts. Sir, long length video how to making a YouTube Shorts. YouTube Shorts will be two types. I can show you how we can making for YouTube Shorts. With the text will be there and the video will be converted into YouTube Shorts option. So already we have long length video one is there available into my option. This is a long length video, 43 seconds. This long length video I can making into YouTube Short. It is possible or not? It is very easy to possible. That is purpose. I'm go to my US states, which I'm selecting California, best and famous Indian astrologer California here. YouTube Shorts purpose we can use an option name is called Canva. Canva is compulsory important. Go to this videos. Canva purpose, the particular size will be 1080 by 1920. Width less, height more. 1080 is the width, 1920 is the height. First width, second will be height. Select it. After that, first you can making your image and title, which video you have to promote it. Select image format. We have number of images are there. Right click, set the image background, text and paste it. After this paste, we can give effect small change, color. Why I'm changing for this all options? User can understand purpose. Logo. After that, long length video. So this long length video, simple option like this. So this is a play visible clear or not. Your compulsory question mark is there. There is visible very clear to the users. No need to worry. Sir, how to know this? All options are here. So this is the video. After done, I'll show you. Simple option. Copy. URL placing. URL you can show will be one line. Very, very important. That is the purpose. What you can remove from no need HTTPS. After that, increase your font. Is it clear? HTTPS is not required. Maybe can anyone know about the www.website.com. After done, right click. Here can do one small favor here. If you want to add this first image music also, plain is not valid. Music will be purpose. Upload. Any audio files are there, it is going. Or else, what are the music files are here? We can select from the music files. Go to music file. No need, we can go for end this first you can drag it. After this, like this. Only first image wise you can use the music. Only first image. Why? Because remaining all will be voice is there. Only first image purpose you can using will be particular voice. That is called we can using for music option. So completely we can go for it. Music purpose we can using for music also. As you wish. Which you are comfortable, we can use the particular things. Any YouTube shorts required 58 seconds, less than. Why? Because the supporting will be up to 60 seconds. Right click, download, MP4, click it. So they will download will be here. So that is you can follow will be here. So it is going to download. So it is going to download the video. Sir, YouTube long length video uploading and shorts video uploading on YouTube both are same or different. Remember, any long length video when uploading here, this is the called cards. This is called cards. When it is showing will be I. I is missing nothing but the video will be not eligible for the cards. You are not added. I compulsory visible by the cards option. In the screen, we can show will be like this. Video and subscribe button. In this we can adding 4, but why we can adding 2? We can visible by the your footer links purpose. This is a purpose varying only for 2 option. In this screens 2, cards will be how many I will adding? You can add will be 4. Better to add will be 5 is acceptable. 4 is better. Less than 3 also is better. 3 is a better from the any cards option. That is your playlist and your particular video. For YouTube shorts, anything will be acceptable. So compulsory every video cards and end screen will be compulsory important. But coming to this YouTube shorts, cards end screen not required. Is a YouTube short is nothing very lengthy video. If I'm adding for the all information, it will be people will be clumsy. So that is called when uploading for YouTube shorts, any video you selected. I'm always remember uploading time. Your video title should be writing will be properly like this. Copy. Always adding will be here. Small option. Sir, anything changes on long on YouTube, short title and long video? No difference. Both are same. Adding title, adding description, anything will be same. But length will be different. 1280 by 720 is the YouTube. 1080 by 1920 will be YouTube Shorts. And one more information, custom thumbnail accepted by the YouTube long video. YouTube Shorts, they're not accepted by the your particular terms is called your proper thumbnail. They're not accepted. So add playlist common, add your tags common, everything is common. So we can using will be here. Indian astrologer, Australia, California, everything. Don't forget the recording date, everything. Next, end screen cars. Don't add it. Cars is acceptable, but what will happen? I'll show you. I'm adding cars, but don't add end screen on YouTube short videos. End screen not eligible. Eligible. What is the problem is a lengthy video. They cover the complete video titles. So that is called. We can add will be here. Cars will be added. One video and one playlist. Save. Next. Next should be private upload. Here I'm missing for playlist. You can add later will be our playlist option also. This video you can play will be here. See this. Here is the option. See, end screen not visible. Yes or no? I is not in. So that is called don't add end screen and cards. YouTube shorts will be very fast to add the on your particular YouTube channel. Same this video upload from Facebook Reel, Instagram Reel, and YouTube Story. Is it clear? Same this video YouTube Shorts, Facebook Story, Instagram Story as a Reel also. Story acceptable, Reel also acceptable. But any video acceptance on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram, 15 seconds, the video limit. But coming to this Reels, 60 seconds. So that is called any YouTube short videos you are making, we can upload on Facebook and Instagram by reel option. Facebook reel and Instagram reel. So this is a pattern you have to follow to upload the video on YouTube channel as a short. YouTube short video we can using for three platforms. YouTube shorts, Facebook reel, Instagram reel. That is nothing but increasing more traffic, more conversion, more lead will be generated through three platforms. Compulsory follow the instructions, make it this video into here. So this video will be very clear to use the user also. Is it clear? Once you create long length video, that convert into YouTube short also. So clear? So what are the videos you're creating long length video? YouTube short, just in 1 second you finish. Select the option, long length video created by the in middle, above logo, below website link. Enough. Phone number is permanent, add phone number also. Easily contact to the user also. No need to create separate video from YouTube Shorts. Long length video convert into YouTube Shorts, upload on YouTube Shorts, different title. Long length title and YouTube short don't will be same video. Is it clear? Follow this instruction. And remember one thing, I'll intimate. First image compulsory create as a like this. YouTube Shorts. Remaining video common. First video we have created like this. Compulsory important to YouTube Shorts. Is it clear? So this is the we have to making for YouTube short video to easy to convert long to shorts, upload on your YouTube channel option. So any further question, please contact my channel. I definitely will be support you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.